Ya voy comiendo Aolep para mi ya mi amor. Rainy ni ganan pebanado pemian. 2 minutes old. Give me some of your time today and please watch this video because oh man, I am mad. I am so mad at you Marshallese people. You guys are making me so angry. And I'm gonna tell you why. Ever since I've been making videos about like those green screen videos of me like exposing all the haters and blase, all these people that be hating on me, they be leaving hateful comments and just reckless comments that don't even make sense, that was never supposed to be existed. Like I don't know why y'all even come on here, right? So basically I've been posting videos like that, and then a lot of Marshallese people who's been trying to like be an influencer or like posting videos and like trying to make a way for themselves, trying to make a way for their families and stuff like that. And they're Marshallese and they're in America. Some in America, some of them in the Marshall Island. They're DMing me, they're texting me on Facebook. They're like, hey man, keep up what you're doing, bro. We see you. A lot of Marshallese people are hating on me too. We see a lot of Marshallese hating on other Marshallese. I'm like, why? There's maybe about 50,000-60,000 of us Marshallese, bro, in this whole world. I think in 2022, Marshall Island was like, I think when population was 40 some thousand. So we're probably up to 60,000, right? People in the Marshall Island. We do not have enough numbers to be hating on each other, yo. Do you understand what I'm saying, bro? I don't even have 50,000 followers yet. But when I do, bro, I'm gonna exceed that number. You feel me? I know there's only a small amount of us, but bro, there is English people watching me. There's Americans who watch me and who is inspired and be telling me, hey, so I don't understand why all these Marshallese gotta be so negative to each other. There's not enough of us to hate on each other. You guys are making me mad. Do you understand what I'm saying? You guys are making me mad. I'm not mad because y'all be hating on me, bro. That's fine. Y'all can hate on me, bro, because I'm a shine regardless. But, bro, hating on other Marshallese people and like shaming them for what they doing, what they trying to do. Like, bro, you guys you're a bot. You understand what I'm saying? You are a bot. If you're a hater, you a bot. Like, bro, there's no reason to be hating on each other, bro. I'm not doing nothing to harm nobody. I'm just trying to spread the love. Make sure Facebook and TikTok give me my money so I do something good with bro. They give me y'all money, you know what I'm saying, bro? Y'all people on the Marshall Island who got a phone, y'all talking about, oh, life is a struggle here on the Marshall Island. You got a phone, bro. Facebook will give you $200 a week, $200 a day if you really put in the work. Bro, stop hating on us, bro. Please. All you really gotta do is just like the videos, comment on the videos, and share the videos, brother. Hey, there's nothing more I can ask of y'all, bro. There's bigger problems on our islands than me making videos. Yeah, you know what I'm saying? And when the time comes, when I put out a whole freaking documentaries about all the problems that we got going on in the Marshall Islands, it's gonna open up your eyes and you're gonna be like, oh my god, this kid was onto something else before we even knew it. You know, me dancing and all that is cool, but I don't know how to dance. I'm trying to get eyes to come here. When the eyes start coming, when the people start coming, that's when you put out the real message. And y'all gonna get the message. Some of y'all get it, some of y'all don't. Say, spread the love. Stop hating on each other, bro. You guys are making me mad. Especially the old Marshallese people. You guys are making me mad when y'all hating on each other, bro. That's not cool. We all supposed to be brothers and sisters. We all supposed to be brothers and sisters in Christ. And not just Marshallese, I'm talking about the whole world. All right, the whole world is making me mad now. We're all supposed to be brothers and sisters through Christ. Why you guys feel like you guys have to hate on hate on each other? Like, it's not cool. It's not cool. I don't appreciate it. You guys are making me mad. Stop making me mad. I'm gonna stop making content. No, I'm not, because I ain't never gonna give up. I'm not giving up. I'm I'm not giving up, no, not yet. Even when I'm down to my last breath. Even when there's nothing left. I'm not giving up, no. I'm not giving up, so y'all can hate on me all y'all want, bro. But stop hating on my brothers and sisters who are trying, or else I'm gonna come for your head. I'm gonna come for your head. I'm gonna make sure everybody know who you are. And you ain't gonna like why they know who you are, buddy. So please stop hating on us, bro. Just keep supporting us, bro. We trying, buddy. We is trying. I don't know why you hating on me, buddy. I'm trying, buddy. I love you, though. Make sure you like, comment, subscribe. Bang! I'm out. Peace.